Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, but unfortunately not here in this kitchen. Today, I'll get to in a second. Yesterday, I prepared one of my personal favorite meals from last year, and that is Thai peanut chicken over steamed white rice. Just enough Thai chili powder to make it just a little bit of heat that doesn't linger. Yes, I have really worked really hard in the last several months to expand my chili powder collection or library. Yeah, and Thai is probably one of the latest ones I've added. So that's a wonderful meal. The recipes will be up, I do believe, at 8 o'clock, if not 8:30 this morning. I pre-did it last night. I had enough time, and I was kind of awake. Today's meal, remember, this is day 3 of me being a bachelor, and I got to pick my menu. I ran across this recipe, probably 2-3 weeks ago, and I just kind of like, wow, this is fun. You know I love gnocchi, not just because I like to say the word gnocchi, but I just really like gnocchi. So this is, and I'm going to hopefully not butcher this Italian, gnocchi alla Sorrentina. This is the simplest, most straightforward meal I will be preparing this week, if not in a very long time. Let's get to it. All right, I got some hardware going here. The Dutch oven is for the gnocchi, so I can, cook it. The little glass roasting dish is for everything gets together. And this is a real small saucepan, which I'm going to be using for the sauce, because the ingredients, there's 4 ingredients. The gnocchi, jarred sauce, mozzarella, and Parmesan. That's it. I'm going to probably doctor this sauce with what, because I don't know. I have not had this particular brand or flavor of spaghetti sauce or marinara. Yeah. So I'll keep abreast of what I add to it. Because I got the library to make it work. So yeah, simple dinner tonight, but it should be really good. Lots of cheese, some good, a decent red sauce, and gnocchi. All right, big news. As of 6:02 this morning, the hardback is live on Amazon. So your ebook, your paperback, and now the hardcover is available on Amazon. Recipes are just guidelines. My first cookbook is now officially published. So you can have one like this. This is a copy. This is the proof copy of the paperback. But as you can see, it's full of goodies. What I like about it, in the back, it's got the full index for the recipes, and then there's a glossary, and so forth and so forth, so forth, so forth, so forth. Obviously, the paperback, if you purchase the paperback, will not have this band on it. And there is another change to the cover. It's basically the graphic on a red background. I changed the pricing a little bit. The ebook is still $1.99. That's as low as I could get it by pennies. The paperback is $24.95 before applicable taxes, depending on what state you live in or country. And yes, if you're not in the United States, you still can buy it. The Unfortunately, Amazon does a great job by pricing it for other countries. And the hardback is $32.95. I decided to bump it up a few bucks. So yeah, the hardback is $32.95 before applicable taxes. Again, depending where you're at. Yeah. The auction for the working copy is still going on. The last time I saw it, there was a $25 donation bid. So hit it. You'll have to search through or scroll through the group, Casual Chef's Kitchen, to get to the auction. So bid often and bid high. Remember, all proceeds are going to charity. Project semicolon. All right, on this Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.